Good day, everyone. Welcome to the weather planning briefing for August 27th from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. Briefly talk about this afternoon. We're expecting some scattered thunderstorms across the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest into Limhi County in east central Idaho. They're going to be isolated to widely scattered, and other than lightning, some brief heavy rain are possible with thunderstorms this afternoon. So let's talk about our main weather impacts over the next 5 days, and the big one is going to be a dry cold front which will pass through the region on Saturday. Widespread wind gusts over 30 miles per hour are anticipated, and behind this front, much cooler temperatures on Sunday and Monday with some precipitation possible along the Continental Divide. So Saturday afternoon, we mentioned wind gusts as the dry cold front moves through. The chart on the left does show you between 3 and 6 p.m. is when the front should really have started to make its impacts across the region, with wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. And then on the right is the time frame we're expecting our strongest wind gusts as the front moves through, and wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour are anticipated, and even higher gusts up to 45 miles per hour in some areas, especially across southwest Montana and west central Montana and parts of Idaho as well. So these winds these winds combine with high temperatures in the mid and upper 80s, locally 90 degrees in some areas, with humidities down in the mid-teens to lower 20s, has heightened our concern for fire weather issues, especially on Saturday. And you can see our weather threat matrix. We are highlighting everything in red for high impacts. Not only with fire weather concerns, but people recreating on the area lakes. We're going to have some issues with winds on that. And then Sunday, breezy conditions will continue, but the impacts are low because temperatures on Sunday are going to be quite a bit colder, or cooler, with temperatures only in the 60s across much of the area, and even across parts of southwest Montana. It's going to struggle to get out of the 50s to lower 60s in some of our higher elevations. All right, as mentioned, there's a chance of precipitation along the Continental Divide. The chart on the left is indicating the probability of 1/10 of an inch of rainfall is about anywhere from 30 to 60%, as you can see here along the Continental Divide, and the probability of higher amounts of rain up to about 1/4 of an inch decreases to about 10 to 30%, especially up in the Glacier National Park. The other part of this equation too is snow levels will be lowering to around 7,000 feet, so folks up in the higher elevations that might be hiking or camping should take the necessary precautions when in colder and wetter conditions. And the further west you go, the less the potential for any kind of precipitation. All right, here's our 6 to 10 day outlook. Across the Northern Rockies, there's really no confidence for either above or below normal precipitation. It just looks like kind of a near normal chances for precip next week, and this is for next Monday through Friday, the 31st through the 4th. And our Climate Prediction Center does have pretty high confidence that temperatures are going to be below normal next week across much of the northern plains and the Northern Rockies. Our average high temperature next week's right around 80 degrees across much of our area. We're only expecting temperatures in the around 70 to the mid 70s, at least through the early part of the week, and then a gradual warm up to the upper 70s by the end of the week in our valleys. So that'll do it for our briefing today. You can always contact us at the office or go to our website at weather.gov or email us at the link shown. we will be putting this briefing on YouTube, and as always, please follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Hope everyone has a great day.